Philippine Old Medal, mga idol.
I forgot Oliver's waiting for me. Oh no!
Alfonso.
Emily, Oliver is already asleep. It's such a yummy ice cream. Diana, come to eat ice cream with me.
Ayan, may sumigaw pa na bata, mga idol. Ito, ayan, 1923, malabo. Ito malaki.
Where's my ice cream?
Ang ganda.
Oopsie, you came too late. It melted. I'm
Oh.
ready again. Don't worry, just make a new one.
Ferdinand Imelda Marcos. Maliit siya.
Wow!
Ayan, ito. Ang ganda, mga idol.
Yeah. Let's put it in the fridge.
Ayan, ganda.
Ready?
Ito, iba rin.
Yummy, yummy.
Boy Scout.
Diana,
Ito, iba rin.
huh? Wait a minute.
Iba-ibang mga medal, mga idol. Yan.
Yay! This was fun.
Ito,
Guys,
Manila Medal.
let's go eat.
Yan.
Pizza!
1907.
So yummy!
Ano pa tayo dito, mga idol? Malabo. Plastic. Ayan.
I'm late again.
Mga old medal. Ayan.
Hello. Oopsie.
Diana's late again.
I'm late overtime. What should I do? I have an idea.
Ito, mga idol. Rizal Medal.
Diana, we have a gift for you.
Cool. Wow. It's a clock.
1961. Ayan.
I'll never be late anymore.
May tatak nito, LO. Ayan. Dahil mga idol. Oh.
Yay!